how you can make your first $500 to $750 net profit per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing using TikTok. So with TikTok affiliate marketing as a beginner, or maybe if you already had experience. Let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, those are the results from the last 48 hours with affiliate marketing using TikTok as a main conversion traffic system. Okay, so let's go straight into it. You can see over here on my TikTok, right? Now this is also organic, free traffic, and you can also do it with the paid traffic, paid TikTok ads. Now why this is important is because in 2025, right now we are 2024, if you're procrastinating and still waiting and not taking leverage and advantage that you have in front of your eyes with TikTok as a traffic system for your audience, you're losing and leaving lots of money on the table. Why? Because you can see over here in the last 7 days, let me click, last 7 days, 500,000 video views, 7,500 comments. Now why I'm preaching to you about engagement on social media platform like TikTok is because, again, you don't have to show your face. It's all faceless. You just need your affiliate link, quiz funnel on ClickFunnels, and you can start making money as soon as today. But the thing is, if you really want to make sustainable, profitable income with affiliate marketing as a beginner, as a newbie, working 20 to 30 minutes per day, then engagement in 2025 going to be very important. Because why? All social media platforms, same like YouTube or Facebook, they want the positive feedback, positive experience of the users. So imagine this. Let's say that you are in the weight loss, neutral space, or let's say dating, female relationship space on ClickBank. And let's say that you're getting so many comments from females from your content, 7,500 in 1 week, positive comments. Do you think that at least one, if not 20 of those people are going to buy the product for $100 to $200 on ClickBank? Just do the math. If you just get, I don't know, 1,000 views and you get 10 sales, you're making $1,000 in a day or $1,000 in a week, whatever your goal is. But TikTok is same like eBay or Facebook back in 2012 when there was no rules. You know, like you right now, you know, on Facebook or maybe even on Google, YouTube, you can get your ad account shut down very easily with health claims, with weight loss claims, with diabetes claims, with one wrong word. Right now with TikTok, it's a Wild West Texas back in 1800s. Same thing, seriously. If you just look at this, look, let me show you. Last 28 days, 1.5 million video views in 28 days, 20,000 comments, almost 200,000 likes. What does it tell you? It tells you that people are engaging with the content. And of course, there are also buyers. Okay, buyers' intent. The curiosity is not enough. That's the reason that you have failed in the past. Maybe you bought courses for $3,000, $4,000 US and you failed. And the reason why, again, it's not your fault. Because once you have someone who can help you now to get you the results, and by now you should realize that you should have someone to help you one-on-one, step-by-step, and hand-holding you along the way to get the results. So you can fast-forward yourself and become a great marketer and become someone who can achieve really great results with affiliate marketing, okay? Let me show you over here how this works. Before I go into it, you can reach out to me on my Instagram later. So this is my Instagram, right? You can see over here. You can connect with me over here. This is my Instagram. You can ask me any questions you want regards to making money online, how to run paid traffic or organic, whatever your goal is. But if you really want to scale it and get really, really great results. Okay, so over here, let me show you how this works. The first thing I want to tell you is this. If you look around you, right, everyone is glued 24/7 to their phone, to their iPhones. So this is the great leverage for you because you know that you can promote products on ClickBank or MaxWeb or any other affiliate network on TikTok and use it to get eyeballs, to get audience in front of your website, your blog, your pre-sale page, right? How does it work? You can see over here, the last 7 days, we had one of the students, $6,480 with just over $1,430 in ad spend. So in 1 day, 7 days, he made $6,400 US, and he has spent how much? $1,430 in ad spend. Now over here you can see the old way was to pick an offer. The new way is get a highly profitable product that I'm choosing for you together with you we built for you, so done for you basically, functional quiz funnel. And the importance of quiz funnel is this, to ask questions that are functional, are moving, right? Because marketing on a deep psychological level is nothing else than a change work, okay? We are changing emotional states. We are getting people from the problem state into the solution state. You cannot just listen to any guru on YouTube, put some ClickFunnels pre-sale page, landing page, and hope it converts. It won't, because there are 5 stages of awareness in order to get sales. Now, how quickly you can make money is this. If you're spending $50 per day, and let's say you are on average paying, you can do less, but let's say $1 per click, it means 5% conversion rate is 2 sales a day. Your earning is $300 per day. $250 USD profit per day spending $50 on ads. If you're spending $100 per day, you can get up to $650 profits per day, right? So that's if you have a product with all the upsell take rate. Now you may be thinking, oh, how can I make $600 from $100 per day ad spend? It's possible if you have a product that's, for example, front end is ebook or course for $50, then you have upsell for $250, and even for $1,000 or $500 upsells. So from same customer, you are earning passive or recurring commissions over and over again, every single month from the same customers. All right. So what we get done together, we do it over the Zoom call, as you can see over here. That's how it works. And remember, it's all about 5 stages of awareness. That's why we can convert, and why maybe you haven't been able to make sales on ClickBank. Because again, it's not your fault. Maybe you bought a course and the course didn't taught you exactly complete, not a missing puzzle method or coaching, but complete mentorship where you get exactly what works at the end of 2024 going into 2025. Updated, not old, outdated methods, but updated methods that are currently proven to work. Okay? So you can see people just like you are getting results. Now, as you watch this video, what you can do next is connect with me one-on-one. I gave you my WhatsApp number, private number. You have my Instagram, my Facebook Messenger, my email, all in the description, in the link in the bio below this video, okay? So let me know, but only if you're serious. Like, if you don't have any money to invest in yourself, don't waste my time. You can unsubscribe, because I don't want to waste your time either, okay? So if you really want to get results, and you are prepared to invest some money in yourself to get some really big results, and start making sustainable income. Again, I'm not saying millions per month like other gurus. No, I'm saying exactly $300, $500, or $700 per day in net profit. Again, not revenue, profit, with affiliate marketing using ClickBank and TikTok as your traffic source. So let me know, and we can connect after.